Hello guys, we're back to more videos. So today we're going to play Apple Obby. So honest guys, we're going to beat that game for once. So honest guys, if you want to see more videos on the channel, make sure to like, subscribe. So honest guys, we're going to beat that game for once. So honest guys, we're going to beat that game. So I only got 2%. Stop! Why they always lagging about this? Okay, so honest guys, we're going to beat that game. So that is this the easiest game that I ever seen in my life. So honest guys, we're going to beat that game. So we're going to play. So, anyways, guys, okay. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Stop lagging, okay? So, what else, guys? Okay, only get stage 6, I guess. Okay, come on, guys. Okay, so what else, guys? Okay, so we're at stage 6. So, honest, guys, we're gonna choose whatever I want to. Which is, no. Oh, wait, I cannot choose this. Oh, wait, I just choose it the wrong way. I just choose whatever I want to, okay? So, honest, guys, we're at stage 9. Stage 9, I guess. So, honest, guys. Oh, it made damage, okay. So anyways guys, we're going to beat that game. So this time I'm gonna beat this game, okay? So what's this? Okay. Where's the player? Do not. Wait, where's the player? Oh, there is. Oh, no, there is. There's a player there, huh? Oh my god. She will gonna get catch up. She will just chase me without this. Okay, so we're going to beat that game. So just join me. They just join me. Like a psychopath. Like an apple. At some point of this. So we're going to beat that game, I guess. Okay, so we're going to beat that game. Okay, so gonna do this. Okay, so what else, guys? Only got 16 stage. Come on, go. Okay, only got 17. Only got 17, I guess. Okay. Come on, we need to just beat that game. Okay. It will make a very long time. So honest guys, we're going to beat this game. Let me get my team. I need to beat that game. This is the hardest game in my life. Okay. So I'm so slow. I am a bit faster. And I couldn't. So honest guys, only got apple tree, the apple. That apple, CD old apple. I guess. So we're going to beat that game, I guess. Okay. Go. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Come on. Oh god. It will take a minute. Come on. It will take a second. Oh shit. Oh, seven. Come on. I'm gonna beat that game. Okay. Come on. Okay. So honest guys. Okay. 26. 26 seconds. Come on. Go. 27. Oh. 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 No, please. Okay. So honest guys. This is fun. This is a fun game I've ever seen in my life. So honest guys. I got 28, I guess. Some point of this thing. Some point of this game. This is a game where we should go. So honest guys, we're going to beat that game. So it's easy guys. So we're going to just keep jumping once again. So, but I need to just run into it. So okay, so we're going to just jump instead. So the player gonna just join me instead of the two. So I'm gonna beat that game I guess. Okay, so what else guys? Okay, this I am a behavior. So in this case, I'm now going to play jumping hood, I guess. Okay. So go to that game. Only got 37 dollars, I guess. Only got up there 10. Okay. Okay. Only got 39. One. One. Okay. And then 40. Okay. So the player we're gonna. Okay. Oh, she left. Okay. We almost made it, guys. So almost, guys. Only got 41. 41, I guess. For 41,000 years. Okay. Come on, we're gonna beat that game. Wee. What the heck? Go. Go. What the heck is that game? Go. 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 Come on, we need to beat that game. I guess 44. Come on, 44. 44. It will take a long time. It will take a long time, I guess. Oh wait, Goblin join me. Okay. Oh wait, Goblin will gonna join me, huh? 46. Yes, what 46, I guess. Why did my brother join me? Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Hey! Oh, no, you're here. Okay, so honest, guys, my brother just turned me instead of this thing. So we're gonna beat that game. So we're gonna beat this game. So I'm not gonna just do that. Oh, 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 oh. Ah! Come on. Ooh, come on. Yes! We got 50. 50, guys. Okay, only got one health, huh? And we should go. So honest, guys. Okay. I like this game. This game is so awesome. Good brother, this one. Yes, I know. Okay. Okay, how many? Oh wait, how many? That's what the brother has 9%. Only got 53%. So this a percent. How many percent do I have? Ah, I only got 51. Ah, okay, this one. Okay, this one, I guess. Okay, so now, guys. 45. Okay, I guess 46. 56, I guess. Come on. We need to beat that game. So the goblin will dragon. Huh? It's raining taco. Okay guys, so we're at 56 again. So ano guys? Come on, we need 57. What? Oh wait. Oh wait, it's not treated. Okay, come on. We should now gonna beat this game. I only got 57 guys. Okay. So I only got this. Okay, so I only got 50. Oh wait. 59? What happened? Someone joined. Huh? Stop it. Please stop. Stop. Okay, only got 60. Yes, only got 60, I guess. Okay, so honest guys, we're going to beat this game for a while. So honest guys, I'm get 61. I need to just beat that game because I'm slow. I'm a slow hacker. Okay. Only got 62, I guess. Okay, so we're gonna beat this game. This game for a while. Okay. Okay. Me and my brother are going to just speedrun. Me and my brother are going to speedrun this. Okay, so honest guys, I got 64. 65, 66, please. I know. Oh! Okay, only got 66. Oh, no. 46. 46. Oh, okay, guys, only got 67. Here, please. 69, please. No. Beat that game, okay? So we're gonna beat this game. Okay, we're gonna beat this. Me and my brother are gonna play. Okay, so nice, guys. We're gonna beat this game. Only got 70, 71, please 71. Oh, 71. Come on, I need to beat that game, okay? So I'm gonna be a beat this game. I'm a pro. I'm a pro, guys. I'm a pro master. So honestly, I'm not going to beat this game. Only got 73. Okay. Oh, I'm a beat. Okay, guys. So I only got 74. 74, guys. So honestly, we're gonna beat this game. We need to beat that game. So, hey, I'm gonna beat this game. Stop. Oh my god. I need to beat this. Okay, I'm gonna wait for you. Okay. Okay. Go, run. Okay, guys, so honest guys, we're gonna beat this game. So now we're going to touch the checkpoint again. Bye. Wait, let me win. Wait for me. Wait. Okay, guys, so honest guys, we're gonna beat this game for a while. So this is percent, I guess. Got 80. Wait, stop! Stop! What else am I gonna... Okay, I only got 81. Oh, I need to beat this game, I guess. Come on. Come on. I'm a pancake! I'm a pancake! Ow! How? Hard! How? Oh, go for it. Okay, so honest guys, I only get 86. I'm a pancake. 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 I'm a pancake, bitch. Oh my god. Oh, oh, I got 85. It will take a very long time. Go. Oh my god, stop it. Go. Yes, the KSI. There's so many people in KSI. Come on, KSI. Let's go. Oh, come on, I need to beat this game. I wanna beat this game. Oh my god. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z So, you know, the service and the, I don't know, okay, so honor fish. Oh, E, F, G, D, R, I, A. Ooh. I'm just like, ah! Oh my god. Okay guys, nice guys. I'm gonna get 10 minutes. I'm gonna get 10 minutes, I guess. Okay. Come on, Goblin. Goblina. Hey, wait for me. Wait, where are you? Wait for me. Where? Whoa. Wait for me. Wait for me, okay? So I'm gonna beat this game. I'm gonna beat this game for a while, okay? So I'm gonna beat this. Come on, I need to beat this game for a while, okay? Okay, come on. To beat this game. Come on, Goblin. Ah! Wait for me. I wanna beat this game. Okay, so I wanna go 98, I guess. Or, oh no, guys, this is the longest video in the world. Don't wait for me. No! No! You can't beat me! Beat me! Yes! 100% guys! Honest guys! Look at you! I'm going to troll people. Okay, let's go there. Okay, so honest guys, we're gonna go to the people. Let's go now. Let's go to the people I guess. Okay, so honest guys, I'm gonna go to now. Also guys, that is today of this video. So this easy game. So I'm gonna play now. I'm gonna choose green again. So goodbye guys. See you later. So goodbye.